Welcome to TechNana, and I'm about to show you something that breaks the laws of physics, or at least it looks that way. Engineers stacked 5 champagne glasses on a moving car's hood, hit 70 miles per hour, and not a single drop spilled. If you don't believe me, hit subscribe right now because you need to see the rest of this list. That's the NIO ET9 SkyRide system making 1,000 micro adjustments every second to keep the ride perfectly stable. And yes, this $90,000 party trick is actually street legal. Someone finally built the car you can send to pick up groceries without getting in yourself. Tensor Robocar is America's first Level 4 autonomous vehicle designed for personal ownership, not just corporate fleets, complete with run-flat tires that keep it moving for an hour even after a puncture so it can safely reach a secure location. Pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but this Silicon Valley startup is taking reservations now. Ever wish your headlights could literally draw arrows on the road ahead to show you where to turn? Audi's digital matrix LED system uses a DMD chip to project navigation cues, lane markers, and warnings directly onto the pavement in front of you, like having a personal light show that actually serves a purpose. As an add-on package, expect to shell out anywhere from $800 to $1,500 depending on your Audi model. Your backseat passengers are bored. What if the car itself became their gaming console? HoloRide's retrofit VR system syncs virtual reality gameplay with your vehicle's actual movements, so when you accelerate or turn, passengers feel it in their VR world, which surprisingly helps reduce motion sickness. The full retrofit pack with an HTC Vive Flow headset runs $799, plus there's a monthly subscription after the first year. Imagine parallel parking by having your car literally move sideways into the spot like a crab. Hyundai Mobis' e-corner system integrates independent motors, steering, brakes, and suspension at each wheel, allowing for crab walk mode, zero radius pivot turns, and even diagonal movement since there's no mechanical connection limiting what each wheel can do. It's still in the development phase with no consumer pricing available, but it's already reshaping how we think about vehicle maneuverability. The next one is where things get cinematic. BMW's Panoramic iDrive replaces traditional gauge clusters with a massive curved 14.9-inch display that flows seamlessly across your dashboard, keeping navigation, speed, and controls within your natural sightline without awkward head turns. It comes standard on newer BMW models as part of their latest iDrive system, so there's no separate add-on cost if you're buying a compatible model. Here's the reality check nobody wanted to hear about solar car roofs. Fisker's Ocean SolarSky can generate up to 1,500 miles of range per year from its full-length solar roof, which sounds impressive until you realize that's only about 4 miles per day under ideal sunshine conditions. The SolarSky comes exclusively on the Ocean Extreme trim, which sadly became complicated to price after Fisker's bankruptcy in 2024. You've seen flying cars in movies. This one actually has flight certification and a delivery date. Klein Vision's AirCar transforms from a street-legal vehicle into a functioning aircraft in under 2 minutes with retractable wings and a folding tail. And it's already completed 170 flight hours with over 500 takeoffs and landings. When it launches in early 2026, expect a base price hovering around $800,000 to $1 million. What if your steering wheel didn't actually connect to your wheels at all? Peugeot's Hypersquare ditches the traditional steering column entirely, using electronic signals and dual redundant motors instead, one to turn the wheels and another hidden in the dash to give your hands realistic feedback. It's currently a concept feature shown on the Polygon concept with no production pricing yet, though it promises sharper handling and unprecedented cabin design freedom. Backing up a trailer is nerve-wracking because you can't see what's directly behind it. Valeo just made the trailer transparent. Their XtraVue system mounts cameras on both your vehicle and trailer rear, then stitches the images together on your dashboard screen to create the illusion you're looking straight through the trailer itself. It's remarkably simple compared to earlier versions that required connected infrastructure, though Valeo hasn't announced commercial pricing or availability yet. Sometimes you need to turn your pickup truck into a snowmobile without actually owning a snowmobile. Track-N-Go's wheel-drive track system replaces your regular tires with tank-style treads in about 15 minutes, letting you cruise through deep snow at speeds up to 40 miles per hour. Each set of 4 tracks weighs 375 pounds and costs $14,500, though compatibility is limited to specific truck and SUV models. Picture your car baking in a parking lot at 130 degrees while you're inside enjoying air conditioning. That temperature gap is insane. The Lanmodo Pro 4-season automatic car tent deploys a massive military-grade canopy over your entire vehicle in 30 seconds, dropping interior temps by up to 65 degrees Fahrenheit, using nothing but physics and smart engineering. It's honestly clever for anyone in brutal climates, and at $399, it's cheaper than fixing sun-damaged leather. Most truck bed covers are just glorified tarps with clamps, but this one syncs with your actual key fob and carries 700 pounds on top without breaking a sweat. The EGR RollTrac is an aluminum electric tonneau that bolts directly into factory mounting points, features anti-pinch sensors, and locks automatically when you lock your truck. It's basically turned your bed into a vault. You'll pay $3,285 for it, which sounds steep until you realize it's the only cover rated for roof tents in serious gear. Ever tried manually positioning a caravan in a tight spot and immediately regretted every life choice? The Mover XT uses powerful brushless motors to move single-axle caravans up to 2,300 kilograms with precision control, handling inclines up to 13%. It's 20% lighter than previous models and can rotate the caravan on its own axis in under 1 minute via handheld remote. The base Mover XT costs approximately $3,000. What if your car's touchscreens could completely vanish when you're not using them? Continental's ShyTech display literally disappears into wood panels, carbon fiber, or leather surfaces when turned off, eliminating those ugly black screens that ruin interior design. When activated, special backlighting makes the display content appear razor-sharp in any light condition. Pricing isn't public since it's integrated into OEM packages. And if you thought this was wild, wait until you see what's coming next.